In this video, I'm going to review the DEWALT 20V multi-tool. I will cut some nails, baseboard, some other wood to see how it performs. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so this is the multi-tool. I know the great things this is to basically flush out and cut maybe screws that are sticking out, maybe pipes. I mean, I could go and basically cut like a little wedge from here to here, like super thin. I could go and cut this whole piece basically just this way. This is why this multi-tool can work well pretty much on multi-project. All right guys, so these are all the blades that you get in this kit. You've got some Japanese teeth ones, so these are fast sharpened ones. These are all gonna fit your DEWALT. You also have sanding grips and all these sanding pads. You got the small ones. This is how you mount this. You got these types of wood blades as well, and this is like a tile one, so you can scrape it. Then you got these ones, so it's a lot of these are high carbon steel, and then you get only two titanium wood and metal ones. And they have different types of widths here, as you can see. A lot of these are these are probably the most. So these are plastic and wood and pipes and PVC, so a lot of those. A lot of fast sharp ones, and you got the little tiny ones in here as well. So we're moving up in this chair, right? And we're gonna be cutting and but this whole area out. However, I want to keep this whole black piece because that's gonna be the background for our niche, and then we're gonna be basically building a wood trim all the way around. So if you press this in all the way, it locks it in. That's your safety. You press this button in and this at the same time, it will hold it. This whole thing is now pre-cut, but there are two studs, one about here, one about here, so we need to somehow pull it away because I'm pretty sure that there are screws attached to it, and I don't want to break this whole thing. Oh, there we go. Nice. The whole thing came out. Oh, and actually it's not plumbing, it's the HVAC that's in here. I did not even know. I thought that was plumbing. So as you can see, this is how smooth the multi-tool is. And we did get a little bit in right here. You see it started cutting it. I didn't know that this was a 2x4, and this is like 20 years old. So 20 years old wood was a lot thicker than it is now. Now they sell really cheap 2x4s. Alright, so we're gonna switch this now to a metal bi-blade. Again, press this and then you just pull this out, still holding this down, and then you slide this part in. And the cool thing is, did you know you can put it on the side, or so you can hold it this way, or you can hold this way. We are gonna go and put this in this way on the side. And pieces of metal, and then we're gonna place this blade on the side, and then we're gonna try and cut this. There we go, that quick. So we did a pretty nice cut, as you can see, all the way around. Perfect for my niche that is drawing there. Now we need to remove this part, and we need to cut it straight this way because we're going to be patching this whole thing up. Actually, wait, this is bimetal blade, so let's replace this. Now, by the way, you do have 3 levels here, 1, 2, and 3. So this is level 1, 2, and then the most powerful one is of course at the end. Press, and then this will come out like that. And we're gonna grab another one of these, and again this way down. Now, some of them are going to fit better than others. So for example, you can see that this one is all the way down. You don't want to see any of the ridge holes up top. So if I, for example, take this one and do it this way, you can see it doesn't quite go in. But if I take this bimetal one and I do it the same way, you can see that it does. But if I do it the other way,
it doesn't. And if I do this one this way, it does. See? So just pick the way that you need it to be, and then hopefully it will work for you. So let's go and cut this now. And you can see how nice and smooth this kind of. There you go.